Guys, please subscribe and help us get to 50,000 subscribers. Welcome to our fans onto TV. It's the Nedbank Cup Finals. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 2. I'm joined by the nonsensical kid, Tabs.
A young man with no sense. A nonsensical kid, no cred.
That's what they said.
Steve-O,
My brother.
you know what a wise man once said?
What?
If you want to see the hell,
Yes.
go and watch Kaizer Chiefs play.
Yes.
If you want to see the graveyard,
Yeah.
go and watch Mamelodi Sundowns play.
Oh.
If you want to see the heavens,
Yes.
go and watch Orlando Pirates play.
Oh.
Today I saw Jesus. I saw Jesus today.
heavens.
I was in the heavens.
Yeah.
Steve-O. I was in the heavens. Steve-O.
Yeah.
What a good football, Steve-O. What a good footballer. I want to ask first, Steve-O, before I talk too much, Steve-O.
Ask my brother.
You know there's a man, Steve-O. 2 touches, Steve-O. Right Toma Raifeta. Rilewile Mufukeni. Hayi bafethu. Ubaba one said hayi ke limfakisa isandla bafethu. Please give him 2 rounds today, please. Please.
He's girlfriend.
You know, Steve-O, I have been saying it a lot, Steve-O, that Rulani is an assistant coach.
Not a head coach.
Assistant coach.
Not a head coach.
Not a head coach, Steve-O. And Mameli, Steve-O. Today I got a call from the legend, Umito Msimane. He told me today I'm not coaching. They are gonna lose.
He said that to you.
He said that to me, Steve-O.
Bito.
If you don't trust me, get a house with Steve.
Bito said that.
Peter said today I'm not coaching. Watch them.
And they lost.
They were exposed, Steve-O. They were exposed, I'll tell me. You know one thing about Sundowns, Steve-O? Sundowns is like EFF, Steve-O. They only make noise outside, but when it comes to serious things, they don't do anything, Steve-O. The fans make noise on social media,
Yes.
but when it comes here, they were nowhere today. They were nowhere to be seen. Oh, just Steve-O. Oh, Steve-O.
Give me man of the match. Man of the match.
Man of the
Good
match,
man. Keep on
Rai
trying.
Toma Raifeta.
Thank you, my brother.
Relewile Mufukeni.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you, Steve.
It's the Nedbank Cup the band.
Steve-O, let me tell you something first, Steve-O. They were busy saying Mamelodi Sundowns doesn't have competition like Mzansi, Steve-O.
Yes.
I asked them a question.
What?
If they don't have competition, Steve-O,
Yes.
they will have won MTN8.
Yes.
They will have won Nedbank.
Yes.
They failed.
Yes.
Sundowns has competition like Mzansi.
Thank you.
Thank you, Steve. I'll see you next season. Next season is free.
Let me see my brother.